Hey guys, how's it going? Now, with most of us working from home, a lot of you guys have been asking and understanding how to get used to digital signatures. Now, that is something which can be a tedious task, which is why I am here to help you understand how you can create your own digital signature online for free and use it to digitally sign your documents and use them anywhere you want. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Okay, so first up, let's understand what a digital signature is. So ideally, you can just take a PNG image of your signature and paste it on a document and call it, well, yeah, signed. But that's more of an e-signature. Basically, the problem here is that there is no validity here or authenticity here. I mean, anyone can take a PNG of your signature and paste it on any document, right? So how do you separate e-signatures from digital signatures? Well, the way a digital signature works is that it uses a mathematical algorithm to basically bind your identity to your signature to that document and also stores the IP address and a lot of other data to ensure that the validity of that signature is well enhanced and assured. Now, this encryption is done to basically authenticate the signer's identity and discourage any sort of tampering of the document once it has been signed. Now, all of this might sound a lot complicated, but you guys do not have to worry about that. Let's just focus on how you can create your own digital signature for free and use it to basically sign any documents that you would want to. Now, there are multiple software out there that allow you to create your own digital signature and sign documents and all of that, but my preferred option out there is CocoSign, which offers a lot of premium features for free. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is open the online document signing page by following the link in the description box. Now you can create a CocoSign account if you want to keep a track of all your documents, or you can just proceed to uploading your documents. Now uploading here is quite easy. You can just simply drag and drop your files here, or alternatively, click on choose file to upload your desired document. The next step is to sign this document. CocoSign offers its own digital signature tool that should help you create your own personalized signature. Here, you can use your own touchpad or mouse to draw a signature and then even edit your digital signature if needed. Additionally, you can type in your name and choose the signature style. Moreover, you can even use a webcam to take a picture of your real-time signature and then upload it. Now, once you've decided upon your style of digital signature, just insert it into the document. And that's it. Download your document and use it as you like. Now, there are plenty of advantages to using a digital signature like this. First off is the amount of time and cost that you save by using a digital signature. For instance, you do not have to go out, go to a printing shop, take a printout and manually sign it and then basically scan it again and then send it. Instead, what happens is once you receive a digital copy of any document, just sign it digitally with CocoSign and then just send it across. And that will be validated and accepted everywhere. Like nobody can say that, okay, we won't accept it. This will be accepted anywhere. Moreover, online signing solutions like CocoSign have an audit trail feature that tracks and monitors who has signed a document and when it was signed. It also keeps a record of your user's IP address. This basically ensures that nobody can forge your signature, which might be possible even in the case of basic e-signatures. With a solution like CocoSign, your documents are signed securely and will be accepted everywhere, all for free. Now, apart from that, CocoSign allows you to collect and embed digital signatures in documents on the go. Additionally, the service provides a flexible alternative to help manage and track your document workflow. So basically, when you arrange the documents to the signing parties at priority or in a specific order on CocoSign's platform, they will automatically receive a notifications. All recipients will get the completed document right away after everyone finishes handling the documents as required. And if that's not all, CocoSign's unlimited cloud storage system automatically saves all the documents you have ever signed, enabling you to download and use them anytime with any electronic device, basically your phone, laptop, whatever. All of this combined with the maximum level of security standards such as HIPAA, GDPR, PCI DCS, and whatnot basically make CocoSign a very trustworthy solution to making your digital signatures. And well, that was it. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and visit the digital signature creation link down there in the description box and create your own digital signature for free. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.